Hello guys, and welcome back to DIY farm. So for today's video I go show now how to treat cough for your poultry beds. I go show you how you will take treat the cough with simple antibiotics and multivitamin. So as we know, this cough na bacterial infection. Now bacteria na they cause this cough, but sometimes it fit be as a result of cold weather or the bacterial infection, the thing wey fit cause am. So as you see for that video, na two of my broiler na I wan treat for this video. Then they cough, and some of the sign of this cough be say you go dey hear one kind cracking noise, the bird go emaciate, the bird go lose weight and size, and e no go dey eat. Na signs of cough be that. And when the thing dey severe, the bird will start dey open and close mouth. And again, cough e dey kill birds well, especially broiler birds. E dey kill them well. So for today's video, I go show you how we dey take treat cough with simple antibiotics. Na wetin we wan do so. So make you watch till the end of the video. If you never subscribe, try make you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So as you see the birds there for the screen, the birds dey breathe well. So it shows say the cough don dey severe, and it dey very important make you treat them. This medication when I dey do so, it dey work for all classes of poultry bird, either na the broiler, noilers, turkey, guinea fowl, geese, and so on. It dey work for all of them. And this their medication wey I wan prepare for them, so you fit dey give them 2 times in a day, morning and evening, or you can give them 3 times depending on how severe the case be. So make you watch how I take do that one. Just watch. Just watch. I dey bring out the thing wey I wan use treat them. Just dey watch. Okay, yeah. See the antibiotic. The first one na CROD. This CROD, e dey very effective to cure respiratory disease. As we all know, CROD stand for chronic respiratory disease. This cough, it dey really affect the respiratory tract of your birds. I will still bring another antibiotics. See am there. That one na cold off be that. Now another strong antibiotics when they help cure cough. It dey prevent cold for your poultry bed, because we all know cold to dey follow bring cough for your poultry beds. So now the 2 antibiotics when I want use so to treat. Another one are the multivitamin. The multivitamin, it dey help your bird to get strength. It dey help your bird to get appetite, and it still dey help your bird to fight stress. And again, it dey help your bird to get blood, because this cough so it dey dry blood for your poultry bed. It dey make your birds dey no dey, but when you add this multivitamin, it dey help them, make them get strength, make them get appetite, make them feel eat, and it dey help combat that cough. So when you dey treat cough or any other disease, it's good make you dey add small multivitamin. Multivitamin too, it dey very important for your poultry beds. So after that one, I go bring container when I go put those drugs inside, and I go mix them. So make you stay, they watch me attentively, so that you go feel learn plenty thing. So that one are the container be that when I want use. So I go just add small quantity of those drugs, because say na for 2 birds and I want use. And again, another thing when you need to know, when you dey treat your bird for this cough, it good make you isolate them. Isolation is very important, so that they no go transfer this disease go the other bed. Isolate them before you treat them. After you treat them, still keep them for separate place until they don't well before. So I don't put multivitamin, I don't add CRD. Then I add that code off. Now 2 different antibiotics with that. So I won't just mix 2 of them. It go dey very effective. Yeah, now small I won't just add. Good. So after that I go add small quantity of water. When I mix them, I go come serve the 2 beds. Even after I serve the 2 beds, I go still put someone for their water where they could take. So I go add water. Yeah, I'll add small quantity of water to her. Good. Yeah. After that, I go use steerage or eyedropper. Yeah, that one an eyedropper. If you use steerage, so make I use that one draw the drugs, then make I put them for mouth. Good. After that, I go carry the bed, open the mouth, come put the medication I don't miss. Okay, yeah, just drop. The bed no one gree on a stubborn bed with that. So after you open the mouth of the bed, you just drop like 2 or 3 drops. Do one like that for morning and evening, or morning, afternoon and evening, depending on the case of the bed. So I don't give one, make I give the second one. Good. That's the second one. Now the same thing you could do. After that, you put them for the place when you isolate them, keep. Give them like that morning and evening for at least 3 days or 5 days. It will really help to cure that sickness. So guys, I thank una as una stick with me to the end of the video. And just a simple way to treat cough for your poultry, but even though them plenty or them small, na simple way. So thank you for sticking with us to the end of this video. Bye.